Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic the principles of design. The meanings. The principles of design are a set of rules that designers can follow when creating a composition to create really pleasing work. The purpose of these rules is to deliver a message in the most organized and functional way. While we have all seen our fair share of experimental pieces out there, it's important to know the significance of the fundamentals. Point 1. Balance. Any element placed on a page carries a real weight. It can range from form to size, color, and texture. In order to make a design feel stable or have balance, the elements need to have a certain scale, symmetrical and asymmetrical. Symmetrical. The elements on the right side have the same real weight as the element on the left side. Asymmetrical. Asymmetrical designs have different sides but equal real weight. Point 2. Unity. Unity in the principles of design is the harmony produced by all the elements in a design piece. For instance, using similar colors that match and integrate elements organically makes it appear as if they belong together and are not just put on a page. Point 3. Contrast. Contrast refer to the level of difference between design elements in order to create real hierarchies. The variation makes certain elements stand out more than others. You can apply contrast by using color, textures, size, and shapes. Color contrast, shape contrast. Point 4. Emphasizes. Emphasizes is a strategy to get the viewer's attention to a specific design element. This can be in any form, a button, a website, or an image. The purpose is to create something that will stand out from the rest of the page. Point 5. Repetition. Using repeated elements on a layout can be pleasing to the viewer. Repetition is repeating a single element through the design. We can call a grid a repetition of lines because it creates a certain consistency. Point 6. Pattern. In principles of design, pattern is the repetition of more than one design element. Where repetition focuses on a single element being repeated, pattern refers to multiple elements repeated throughout a design. Point 7. Rhythm. Rhythm, a principle of design, has more complexity than the previous principles of repetitions and pattern. Repetition and pattern are applied to the same element throughout a design. Rhythm is the real tempo of a combination of elements. When used repeatedly and with variation, it gives the feeling of organized movement. Point 8. Movement. Movement refers to the real flow or path that a viewer's eye follow within a composition. It can be influenced by the arrangement of elements, lines, and shapes. Point 9. Hierarchy. Hierarchy involves the organization of elements to indicate their importance or order to of significance. It helps guide the viewer's attention through the design. Point 10. Space. Space in design refers to the area around and between elements. Effective use of space can create a sense of balance, depth, and real breathing room. These principles are not strict rules but rather flexible guidelines that arrests and designers use to create visually pleasing and effective compositions. Depending on the context and the desired aesthetic, different principles may be emphasized or combined in various ways to achieve the desired visual impact. Mystery of these principles allow designer to create compelling and visually engaging designs across various mediums, from graphic design and interior design to architecture and fine art. Thank you. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you watching my video.